Hello, I'm Paulus and welcome to GNP channel. Today we bought a retro design GORENJE electric water kettle called K17CLI. Kettle design looks really nice and you can buy this kettle online for about 55 euros. This device comes in a nice box but a bit slammed during transportation. In a box you can find a kettle itself, a 360-degree docking station and some manuals. This GORENJE K17CLI electric kettle uses 2.2 kilowatts and can boil 1.7 liter of water at a time. Overall, this is a great looking kettle with some nice features like temperature sensor with indeed looks great. Just take a look at this video and tell us what you think about this GORENJE product. And you can do this in a comment section below. Do not forget to like this video. Thank you. Now we will prepare for boiling the water and we'll look how long does it take to boil the water. We filled the tank with the max 1.7 liters and as you can see in the temperature sensor it's cold, so we will try and check the time. So after 6 minutes the water is almost boiled. I didn't thought it will take 6 minutes to boil full tank, but as you can see it took 6 minutes and 15 seconds.